my channel Chic the Style. For this video I'm gonna review this product, that is a face mask. So I'm gonna review a skincare product from CLOVIA BOTANIQA. So CLOVIA is one of my favorite brands for lingerie for over the years, and I have always loved their style and fabric and all that good stuff. So this year they have come up with their own skincare brand, that is CLOVIA BOTANIQA. As the name suggests, it is loaded with Ayurvedic goodness and are made with natural ingredients. So when I went up to the website, so I browsed their collection and I could literally see all of my concern on their website. So I chose my product accordingly. So I chose this matcha tea face mask with aloe vera and seaweed for deep hydration. So it has matcha tea, aloe vera and seaweed in it for deep hydration. It will get rid of pimples as well. It has a cooling effect on your face, and it's a de-tanning face mask as well. Best part of these products are they are 100% vegan. They have no chemicals in them. They are made up of 100% essential oils. They are made in India, sulfate free, paraben free and all that good stuff in one product. And I have been using this product for a week now, and I literally use it once a week, and it has been a healing ritual for me. Totally in love with this magical product. So do check this out and let me know how this product worked for you. So I will put the website right here along with the code for 10% off for you guys, and all the links will be in description box so that you can check that out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment down below your favorite product from this range, and yeah, bye bye.